This is the outfit for today, and I've been loving these Bermuda shorts. They're kind of this brown color. I don't know if you could tell, but I do like the brown with the blue. So I got these sardines treats at Trader Joe's, and I love that they're a single ingredient. We're gonna do a little taste test, huh? And if you're wondering why he has the cone on, he had really bad allergies on his paws. Okay, somebody is super impatient. Hold on. Crunch, crunch. Do you like it? Sit. You're a good boy. So I'm currently working on my grocery list for the week because lately I've just been kind of going with the flow and deciding usually the day of or the day before of what I want to cook, and that has not been working out for me lately because decision fatigue is real and we order takeout, so I want to avoid that as much as possible this week. So I'm deciding on meals for the week and creating a grocery list for it. I might switch out the Spam fried rice because I'm not sure if I want to do that. I'm just gonna start with my grocery list. I want to go to the grocery store and kind of just like buy everything that I need for the week. I think this would be a lot easier. For dinner tonight, I'm going to be making jerk chicken with mango salsa. taking a walk to the lake because it's so nice out. Brought my camera. Let's go on a photo walk. I'm so excited.